right here, this is the controller. This is our FPV. We have the battery pack. Just slide inside. This is our fast slide. Make sure you have this right here. Power on is pretty simple, just same way you always power on a drone. This right here is FPV. What's it? FPV goggles. Yeah, so let's go outside and pre-check our flight. Yeah, YouTube, mind my sagging. I'm crazy director. So yeah, firstly what we do is as your first FPV flight, you have to pre-check everything, check your controller, the drone itself. Yeah, let me put it on. We have our drone on. Right, so it's time for takeoff. Takeoff, you just and of course you always don't forget to set your own points. Then the rest is history. Just fly. That's it.